We are diving into the latest leaks and news about the upcoming Nothing Phone 3. Carl Pei, the CEO of Nothing Phone, has confirmed it's launching in 2025 and it's packed with exciting features. Let's break it down. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. After skipping a flagship release in 2024, Carl Pei has revealed that Nothing is gearing up for a grand comeback with the Phone 3 in early 2025. Let's talk about specs. The Nothing Phone 3 flaunts a gorgeous 6.7-inch OLED panel with a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. It's perfect for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. It also features an under-display fingerprint scanner, blending cutting-edge security with a clean, minimalist design. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. With a massive 5,700 mAh battery, 64 watts fast charging, and 24 watts wireless charging, the Phone 3 keeps you powered all day long. Under the hood, it's all about power. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor promises blazing performance, while Nothing OS 3.0, based on Android 15, keeps things smooth and intuitive. Photography enthusiasts rejoice. The triple camera setup features a 50MP primary lens, perfect for capturing stunning photos, and with a 32MP front camera, for capturing stunning moments. Need storage? The high-end variant offers a whopping 1TB, paired with 8GB of RAM for multitasking and storing everything you need. Here's something innovative. Nothing is introducing a brand new button, similar to the iPhone 16 series action button, but Nothing claims their version is more intuitive, offering enhanced customization and usability. Artificial intelligence is at the core of the Phone 3. Meet Companion, Nothing's AI assistant designed to simplify tasks, manage schedules, and even learn your preferences over time. Can the Nothing Phone 3 compete with flagships like the iPhone 16 or Galaxy S25? Maybe not, but it could be a tough competitor for the latest OnePlus 13. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech updates.